This is information about my product listing for the book Forever Flowers by Bernice Peitzer, and I'm sorry if I pronounced that incorrectly. And it's a flower lover's guide to selecting, pressing, and designing with pressed flowers. And then she's got a tag up there that says, "From seed to stunning keepsake." And just a quick little side note, this was published in 2000, and I don't remember now how I came across the one that I purchased, but I liked it so well that I ended up contacting the, I'm assuming that the publisher, Kraus, and asking if I could buy a case of them because I had a website specializing in pressed flowers. This was long before Etsy came around. And I wanted to have some project books and information to offer people on my website. And, you know, fortunately for me, they did go ahead and sell me a case of books, and I put them on my website, and I still have a few left, and so that's why I'm putting some on Etsy, because I really like this book, and I look at it a lot for inspiration and ideas, and so I just want to give you a quick little flip through. There's a lot of wonderful pictures in it, and she goes from talking about the different kinds of plants that you can use if you're looking to do your own, as opposed to buying ones that are already pressed. So there's quite a nice little, I guess you call it a little encyclopedia section of flowers. Then she goes into selecting and using seeds for gardening. So this would be wonderful if you have a little garden and you want to play around with growing your own. She has project ideas, and she has a lot of project ideas, which is what I really liked about a book. Flower combination chart, color wheel. She even goes into a little bit of section about dyeing flowers. And since I do often color enhance flowers, I found that especially interesting. She goes into jewelry and magnets and pins and initial pins and mussels and sea glass, crystal, jewelry, combs, giftware. I just find this very inspiring to look at. Like I said, this is just a quick little leaf through. She also goes into framing. You know, what do you do with your bookmarks, pictures once you have them done, if you're into pictures. Another thing I like is there's a chart in here about, I guess it's further back, about symbolism of flowers, herbal health. So it's 128 pages. They're new. This is my copy, but the one that you would be receiving is brand new. I still have a few left, so hopefully you'll check out the listing, and thank you for tuning in. You have a wonderful day.